When the old septic tank is full of wastewater, what should we do? The solution is to create a drainage system, and the quickest way to drain the wastewater is by pumping it out. We need to design a pumping system which requires an electric pump. It is essential to construct an appropriate site for the water pump installation. Set up a piping system, and include valves to control the water flow. The system must include a way to flush the pump with clean water to reduce corrosion caused by wastewater, thereby extending the pump's lifespan. At the end of the wastewater pipe, a check valve should be installed to prevent backflow. There will be valves on both the clean water side, used for cleaning the pump, and on the wastewater side to control the flow. The wastewater will be sent to an external treatment pond, and after proper treatment, it will be safely discharged back into the public system.